Teton County, Wyoming officials are warning the public to be prepared for flooding. This year, valley snowpack has already disappeared, and with it, most of the risk of lowland and nuisance flooding. Now, as temperatures begin to warm and mid to high elevation snow melts, there is a potential for stream and riverline flooding. In the event of a flood, the public is reminded to turn around, don't drown, keep away from down power lines or any other electrical wires, get to higher ground, and protect your property beforehand.